Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to copy and paste on Mac, and it's so easy to do this. For example, to copy, the shortcut is easy. You select the text that you want to copy, and after that you click on Command and C. Command and C. Like that, you copy the text that you want to copy. And after that, to paste that text, you just need to go and click on Command and V. And the command button, you can find it near to the space bar and it's written command on it. So click command first of all. I will repeat again. So you select the text, you click command, after that C, and after that to paste you click command, and after that V. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.